Boston, 1770, tensions boiling, soldiers in the streets, colonists furious over taxes and occupation. A shouting crowd, a single shot, then chaos. In seconds, anger turns to bloodshed, and the road to revolution is set. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please subscribe, then like and share this video and channel. After the French and Indian War, Britain faced massive debt, and looked to the American colonies to pay it. Acts like the Stamp Act and Townshend Acts taxed everyday life, paper, paint, glass, and tea, without colonial representation. British troops were stationed in Boston to enforce the laws, turning soldiers into constant reminders of imperial control. The Tea Act gave the East India Company special privileges, undercutting colonial merchants and igniting fury. Groups like the Sons of Liberty organized resistance, boycotts, protests, and direct action. Crowds taunted soldiers. Soldiers pushed back. Fear, resentment, and anger simmered daily in Boston's narrow streets. On a cold March night, a confrontation spiraled. British soldiers fired into a crowd, killing 5 colonists. The Boston Massacre shocked the colonies, transforming protest into a movement toward revolution.